I'm so glad we're doing this. I needed it. Thank you. I love oranges. Okay, well now we gotta cheers to that. Let's get our extra orange. I'm so glad we're doing this. I needed it. Just picked up my Starbucks. So it's the mango dragon fruit base with black tea. I usually like it to be like diluted with water, and it's so sweet today. They probably just did all straight up mango fruit base or whatever. And obviously it's delicious. It's chock full of sugar. With the roof stuff, I was getting insanely triggered. I mistakenly, huge mistake, when I got the text from Hunter outlining that things were like super damaged in the house, I immediately kind of like thought it would be funny to post that on my Instagram story. And I didn't realize that I would get so many people being like, oh my God, what happened? And blah, blah, blah. And then I like pretty quickly took the story down because I was like, okay, I don't think I'm actually ready to like discuss what's going on, and I haven't really processed what is happening. So this is me kind of telling you guys, giving you that update. Basically what happened is 3 weeks ago now, I think, when the whole roof debacle happened, water did get inside the house and inside the walls, mostly the like exterior facing walls, and also anywhere there was pipes, water got into the house and the walls are damaged, insulation walls, maybe some wood rot. We have an assessor coming to the house and he's gonna inspect everything. He's gonna like moisture gauge, like they have those moisture sensors or whatever to be able to see how much moisture is in the walls. Long story short, it looks like we are going to have to rip out some walls and ceilings. And yes, in the rooms that we just remodeled, people have been asking me, well, when is it going to be over? And honestly, I'm not putting a timeline. I've given up on putting a timeline on when the construction will be done in the house. And at this point, we're just trying to find peace where we can and just accepting that this is going to be our situation for a while. But the other thing that happened is yesterday, in the middle of finding out about all the damage, I had my martini date night with Haley, and I was about to cancel because of all the things that were going on at the house, and Hunter was like, no, like you are going to have a martini with Haley. And I was like, okay, I'm doing it. And so I kind of like put myself together. We ended up having literally the best time. I had exactly 2 blue and gold martinis at Hudson House with Hendrix. I can't do vodka, and I got to just kind of let my hair loose, relax, have a good time yapping with the girls, and I feel much better today. I am going to Rejuvenation to make a couple of returns. I have some knobs that need to be returned, and I need to pick up another pool for the kitchen. I am going to Soul Cycle with my friend Maddie. We're taking my friend Andres' class. It's been a minute since I've done any spin class. I talked about this in one of my episodes. I think my Get Ready With Me was what kick-started me wanting to do fitness is spin, and I worked for a spin studio front desk and fell in love with spin. It's been a long time since I've been on a bike. It's gonna be fun. I'm excited. I miss doing it. So, and Andres is incredible. One of the best. Great class to be jumping back into it. Stay tuned. Okay. Walking into Rejuvenation, grabbing the knobs in a Target bag, no less. All right. I feel like I live here. He's literally my best friend. Doesn't help me with my knobs. Hi, I'm back. He's on the phone. Where's say hi? Literally my best friend. I just left Rejuvenation. Hopefully that is the last time I have to be in there. This is the last pool that I need. I do have to plug Israel. Israel has been the angel in my life when it comes to hardware. I love Israel, love Rejuvenation, literally the most seamless experience, probably the easiest of all the experiences I've had with any like supplies or anything for the build out. I just remembered something I wanted to share with you guys. Yesterday, before I left to go have drinks, I slicked my hair back, and there's probably like leftover hairspray in my hair right now, and was like, I feel like I need extensions. Hunter walks in, and I look at Hunter and I go, you know, babe, I think I want to go ahead and get some extensions. I have never seen this man jump at any opportunity to pay for anything. I mean, he's not cheap, but he was like, I will pay for it. I was like, what? And he was like, I'll pay for it. If you're gonna get extensions, I will pay whatever for it. Okay, so tell me you hate my short hair without telling me you hate my short hair. And he was like, no, baby, like, you could already hear him backtracking. He was like, I love how you look all the time. You're so gorgeous, you're sexy, blah, blah, blah. And I was like, my husband hates my hair. The tale as old as time, men hate short hair. But the way this man jumped at the opportunity to pay for my extension, I guess I'm getting extensions. Now that I'm not teaching heated classes, there's the upside to that, is I get to put extensions back in my hair. And I'm low-key like dying inside. A friend, Riley, who makes so much fun of me about my hair. I change my hair like I change my underwear. I want short, I want long, I want brown, I want blonde, I want balayage, I want highlights, I want red. I'm just like dreading the moment that I get these extensions and Riley finds out, or I tell Riley, and she's gonna be like, girl, you are psycho. And we'll see how it goes. All right, so I just wrapped up Andres' class, and when I tell you that was the most cathartic class, I needed it. I needed it. He played Alanis Morissette and Paramore, and I just screamed it out, and it was literally the best therapy I could have ever asked for. And now we're heading to Fiora, and we're gonna go yap and have a couple glasses of wine. This is truly the prescription I needed this week.
Cheers!
Cheers!
Happy Friday!
Happy Friday.
Oh, you too, DJ. Double fisting.
Didn't you eat when we got here?
Don't remind her I got
Man, what do you call this?
It's a mortadella sandwich.
But
It's you.
did he order one or two?
What?
So we're on our way to the storage unit.
I think that I'm very ick-worthy right now. There's so many things that cause the ick. Me eating cherries and spitting the seeds out while driving with a beach towel.
You're very white.
Under my
You're very white trash right
under
now.
my sweaty body.
But I'm into it.
I don't have anything disparaging to say about your ex-husband.
I plead the fifth. All right, we got to get into the storage unit.
All right, let's go. What?
We are not going to argue during this process.
I agree. But you know I'd walk 1,000 miles as long as I get my steps in.
Sure you don't need help?
Of course not. I'm a manly man. I don't need no help. Help. I am a little concerned about the rain.
This is fun. All our shit. Oh my god, you're ridiculous. I mean, that's kind of a steal. I don't have one. Do you want to ask them? It's pretty. Where are we heading?
Izikawa. 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 One upside to not being pregnant.
Cheers to that.
Sushi and beer.
Yum.
I gotta find someone that looks at me the way you look at sushi. I mean,
I'm really excited.
jeez. Well, did we enjoy our sushi?
I mean, and my beer.
So, are we gonna have ice cream?
Sure.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, buddy.
Of course.
How do I love you? 10,000 ways. There ain't no doubt about
He never knows the lyrics.
In this
He
phrase.
never knows the lyrics.
Baby, it's a thought that counts freely. Wrapped up in you.
Where are the lyrics?
Get the fiddle. Ba 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 ba.
Still doesn't know the lyrics.
Inspiration.
Nope. Nope.
It's a I don't. Okay, I don't know this. I don't know this one. I can't even fake it. I get just a medium cone.
Okay, what else?
And then a
I want a blizzard.
small blizzard with Oreo, cookie dough, and brownie.
But they have a s'mores one.
Okay, what else?
Should we get the s'mores one?
I don't think so. I think you go with what you
that
know.
Yeah, that's gonna be it. Oh wait, real quick, ma'am,
Yes, sir.
can we change that to a small cone? I'm so sorry.
No problem. Thank you.
Why?
Thank you.
Oh.
Because I got you a small blizzard instead of a mini, and if you have overflow and I have a medium, then I can't do both. And so,
Are you recording?
What do you think this thing is?
You sit there with that thing a lot, so I don't know if you're recording. That's good.
that's a cone right there. I mean, look at the edges.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Take care.
Yum.
All right, let's see it. Are you not going to turn it upside down?
She just did it, and now it's melted. I'm not gonna do that shit in my car.
Oh my god, that would be great footage though.
No, I'm not doing
You
that.
dump that all over your car.
No, it's already melted. There's no way. There's no chance.
Oh gosh.
The remote is.
Where the remote is, that's the age-old question, isn't it?
Can I use the spare remote?
I don't think.
Oh.
Oh, that is a
I'm
remote.
so sick of seeing him on my TV screen.
Oh no.
I'm so sick of Jax Taylor right now. Good night.
Do you have a good night? Sushi?
I did. I always have a good night.
Sushi, ice cream, karaoke,
Yeah,
and now we have a nightcap of Jax
Taylor.
Taylor.
I don't know. I feel like that would ruin my night. If anything.
Makes for good drama though.